Hello, today I will discuss the contrast media and classification. Most important is the classification of the contrast media. And classification of contrast media divide on the use in the X-ray and CT is the X-ray and CT contrast media. Other is the ultrasound contrast media, and other one is the MRI contrast media. And CT and X-ray contrast media is further divided into the positive contrast media and the negative contrast media. And positive contrast media is further divided into non-water soluble like barium sulfate and iodinated contrast media. And this is the most important is the iodinated contrast media. We'll discuss more detail in about the iodinated contrast media. And iodinated contrast media is further non-water soluble iodinated contrast media that is also oily lipidal type, and other is the water soluble iodinated contrast media. And this is further on the basis of the excretion like hepatic excretion, like example is the hypenoic acid, and the renal excretion. Most of the iodinated contrast media is excreted by the kidney. So this is further divided on the high osmolar and low osmolar. And nowadays low osmolar contrast media, iodinated contrast media is most widely used, and high osmolar contrast media is mostly ionic, mostly or almost all are ionic monomer. An example is the iothelmate, ditrojate. And further low osmolar contrast media is divided into the ionic dimer, and ionic dimer example is ioxagalic acid, iocamic acid. And non-ionic monomer is metroxatamide, iohexol, most commonly used. And non-ionic dimer, that is the latest one, is iotrol, iotrolan. Least side effect among all the contrast media is non-ionic dimer, and iodine particle ratio we'll discuss later. And further iodinated contrast media, we can see this. And example of this high osmolar contrast media is ditrojate. Ditrojate is also trade name is the Eurographene. And iothelmate, trade name is the Conray. Metrojet, trade name is the Isopec. And this is the all high osmolar contrast media is ionic monomer, almost all high osmolar contrast media. And this iodine particle ratio is 3:2, and osmolality is very high. We know that our body osmolality is 280 to 90 milliosmol, and here we can see this is the osmolality is 1500 milliosmol. And non low osmolar contrast media example is the ioxagalate hexabrix. This is the ionic dimer, and its iodine particle ratio is 6:3, and osmolality is 490. Other is the non-ionic monomer iopamidol, iohexol, iopamidol, iopramide, and someone, and iversol, iopentol. And other is the non-ionic dimer, that is the latest one, and this is the least side effect because of this is the osmolar to the body. And this iodine particle ratio is highest among this all iodinated contrast media. And this is two most important example available in the market, iotrolan, iodexanol. And this is the we can see now. Now we'll discuss the MRI contrast agent. MRI contrast agent may be the oral contrast agent. Oral contrast agent is divided in positive contrast and negative contrast. And the positive contrast is manganese chloride, oil emulsion. Negative contrast is barium, blueberry and pineapple juice. And other is the parental contrast agent. On the basis of susceptibility, MRI contrast media is further divided into ferromagnetic, paramagnetic and super paramagnetic. On the basis of relaxivity, and divided into the positive relaxation agent like T1 agent. This is also known as the T1 agent because it affect the T1 time. And the example is the gadolinium, most important example, and MNDPDP. And negative relaxation agent is also known as the T2 agent. And example is the iron oxide particle. And high dose gadolinium also act as the negative relaxation agent. This is the graph how it decrease the relaxation T1 relaxation time. And now gadolinium is most important. Now we'll discuss the extracellular other on the basis of the other classification of the MRI contrast media. It may be the extracellular, liver agent, and blood pooling. And this is the some example of the extracellular contrast media: gadolinium, DTPA, and this is the most important: magnivist, gadopentadeclumine, and GD-DTPA. And this is the also important gadodamide, that is the OmniScan, most widely used, and GD-DTO3A, gadotret, also trade name is the Prohance. And liver agent is the mainly important one is the GDB2PA, BOPTA, and gadobenate and gadoxate disodium is important. And blood pooling, the Vasovist is the important one, gadophosphorus trisodium. And we can see this is the gadodamide, important one is the amnoscan, trade name is the omniscan. This is the linear ionic, and linear ionic, this is the side effect is more. And we can see this is the gadotredol is the macrocyclic non-ionic, and side effect is less. Other classification of the MRI contrast media is either linear ionic or linear non-ionic, and other is the macrocyclic ionic and macrocyclic non-ionic. This is the linear non-ionic omniscan. Gadodamide is the generic name. Other is the linear non-ionic, and macrocyclic ionic is dotarem, gadotret. Now on the ultrasound contrast media is classified on the non-encapsulated microbubble and encapsulated microbubble. And this is the encapsulated example of the non-encapsulated microbubble, and this is the first generation, and this is the latest one is the encapsulated microbubble, and this is the encapsulated air microbubble and encapsulated perfluoro microbubble. An example of the encapsulated air microbubble is Elbunex, Ecobeast, and Livobist. And encapsulated perfluorocarbon microbubble is Optison. This is the albumin coated microsphere that contain octafluoropentane gas, and this is used in the cardiac. Now thank you.